Y'all, today we're playing Monkey Realm. On Monkey's Realm. One of my friends wanted me to download this game. And I downloaded, never got to play with them. So now I'm just gonna check out the game. Because I feel like I need content. Yeah! Where's my hands? Where are my- oh, there's-
Popcorn!
I have hands!
Popcorn! Popcorn! No popcorn! I'm gonna kill you then eat you. That's some good popcorn!
Trusted user timer.
Wait, Wait, I don't think I know how you do. That was it.
Why is there no- where's the screen?
Look on top of you! I'm the one.
How do I leave the code?
Hey, right! Look on top of you! Your hand?
How do I do this? Game mode, horror, Russian roulette. I wanna do horror. We're all up for some horror. By the way, guys, it is like it's 7 a.m. and I haven't slept yet. I ran off like I ran off of freaking coffee. If you're if you have epilepsy. I don't have. Let me turn off. Let me turn off, man. Well, I. This is scary. Whoa. Is this a bug? Oh no, but I'm going back there. I don't like this. Is that what is that the monster? I can't see. The frick is that monster? Okay, teleport, bring me back to main game, please. I want to go back to main game. I want to try Only Up. I love Only Up. That that was an amazing. That was an amazing monster. Man, my game crashed. Bro, that monster went. If I get a monster, if I ever make a Girl Take fan game, that's what my monster's gonna sound like. Just. I'm gonna tickle your toes. That's all my monster's gonna do. Okay, let's try. Give me my hands, please. Thank you. Only up. Let's try it. Let's go. Can't see. My hands. My hands. Goddamn. Goddamn, what is this? What is this? Is that a moon? What is that? Look, gotta fix my shirt. Feels weird. There we go. Wait, are there people in this? I hear people, kind of. I heard someone say, "Wait, I'm coming! Wait!" Was that just me that heard that? Am I imagining things? I don't think so. Boxes. I suck at climbing boxes, so we're going. Escalator! Why is there an escalator? I don't. We love escalators. Yep, there's definitely people up there. You know, do we really have? No, we don't have to do only up. We can try out the other game. Why is there milk? Milk. We love milk. There's the teleport back. What is in this house? Nothing. What is this?
Buddy. Pig,
Oh, this person also likes
literally all the
Alistair.
way down to the beginning.
Alistair from Hazbin Hotel. We love Alistair. Alistair is my baby G. Alistair is my baby G. Hold up, let me show you guys. I don't have Pastor turned on. You guys are gonna have to witness me go through here. I gotta give me my physical space features back. You guys get to see. Look, my beautiful room. We got. Hold up. My beautiful room. We got my fishy. My room's a mess. But we got my fishy. Got Alistair, Angel Dust, Pride Flag, the gay of the queers. God, my friend's character, not my friend, sister character Lucifer, Angel Dust, Nap poster, there, baby me, post me. Oh yeah, I haven't showed you guys these yet. This is my tiger mask, a gore mask, a preppy cat mask, my electric guitar, another thing. Got a lot of stuff on the floor. My room's a mess. It's my sister's thing. I have my own. So over here, got this guy's foot. His foot is broken. Gotta do that, bro. Yeah. Wait, where my hands are gone. My hands. Next bots, let's go. Let's go now. So it's like Nico's next bots. Yo, wait, this is actually like Nico's next bots. No way.
This is safe zone. Hey, I'm coming after you. Stop it!
No, this literally is.
Let me run!
My hands are weird. I saw a next bot. Luckily, I played Nico's next bots a lot. What's up? I used to play this game so much. Oh my gosh. Yo, I think it's stuck. Oh god, it's not stuck, it's not stuck, it's not stuck, it's not stuck! Why is there so many? Run! Why am I so fast? Oh god! Go away! I think that's engineer. I don't know which next bot that is. Go away. Yo,
Where's getting tubes?
I don't know why I'm so fast. Fast boys.
My balls.
What the freak?
Okay. I broke
That's
his
discriminatory
ankle.
language.
I actually broke his ankle.
Wee.
Hey, ankle's broken. No! Oh, you just respawned right.
Oh god, there's another one.
Good job. Here, I got you, bro.
No, wait, which gender bathroom am I in? Oh, I gotta check. I gotta best check.
Wait, Red, can you hear me?
Okay, we gotta go into the woman's.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Cause I want to call. Can I want an after?
Oh yeah, I can hear you.
I'll save you, Gray.
I'm recording.
Brothers.
Oh god, it moved!
Blue, should I
It moved! I gotta clear my room a bit.
Oh my god.
Get the pencil crowns off the room so I don't get stabbed.
Guys, isn't it weird that I don't have speed boost on? I'm still Lightning McQueen. Red.
No, we're all literally Lightning McQueen at this point. We're all Lightning McQueen.
Look at me, bro. Look at me. Well, I just got this game, so
Ow!
there is people in the
I disconnected my battery.
They're just sitting there.
So now,
Oh, they're broken. Oh. The mobs are broken. We gotta go, boys.
No.
They're...
our goal for now is to find which battery
Okay. Now let's do the orange junction.
is the good battery. My finger's bleeding.
Wait, I'm
I'm in pain. Now we gotta find which battery holds. This battery's the dead battery.
Is it weird, guys, that I don't have speed boost on, but I still can do this?
No, that's not. It's not weird.
Dude, the game
Yeah, I'm
is
gonna do it with
broken.
speed boost.
Game is broken.
Doesn't mean with speed
I
boost.
think I just put in the battery that was dead. Yeah, I did. I took it out and put it back in, guys. Wait.
Guys, I'm Lightning McQueen. Oh,
Never mind. Both these are dead.
They came back.
Why am I not dying?
I have this.
Why am I not dying? Why did it skip long? My finger's bleeding.
They're charging us.
Yeah, I found my back.
Hey, yo, what is bro doing in the door?
Please help me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found my battery. I found my battery, guys. We're good. I found my good battery.
Red.
Holy Go right there. Go right
Guys, we're good. I found.
I'm gonna not give you a
Oh, no. No.
So,
Ah, I made it.
Get it.
I'd rather not. Come through the vent.
skipping.
Oh, Bullets is booking it.
Guys, found my good battery. My
What the
He's charging up.
over there?
Excuse me. That is disrespectful.
Hit that.
Why is my blood like actually like an orangish red? It's kind of concerning.
Yo, then the monkeys come wrap. Come wrap this. Go.
Yeah.
3,
Oh,
2,
I was running from the monster and I slapped my head. I cut my finger and it was really red. guys, you guys like my rapping skills? I'm actually being honest. So like, look. Okay, you can barely see it. Right there. See a little bit. You can see it kind of. Yes, it is. Getting harassed by monsters while past one. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Why are the monsters not killing? Stop! Let me free! Let me free! Let me free! Bro, the monsters trapped me. Yeah, these monsters really suck at killing you. These monsters really suck at killing you, but like,
Help me! Get away!
why did you just?
We didn't have the box.
Yeah, I don't know. Trapped.
The monsters don't even kill me. They like run into me, maybe push me a little bit, and I could just like walk away from them. They don't kill me. Wait, look at me. Wait, blue. Wait, blue. Wait, look at me for a good. Wait, say something.
Oh,
Yeah, your mouth.
Why do we look like that? No, I'm recording a video and I actually just realized that. Ew. Let me up here.
I did it! Okay, actually. I'm going!
Hey y'all, I got my finger actually hurts. Kind of. Why is there so... Oh, why am I red? Wait. Why? What are they circling? Whoa, God. Leave me alone. What is back here? Oh God! No way that guy just joined. What is? Yo, let me in here. What's up? If I don't die, yeah, I actually died from that. What the hell?
Oh, sick monster, we just jump up there.
The monsters barely even kill you.
Holy shit, Mom. I'm going down. Shrimmy! Hi! Run!
Hi.
Help me!
Good.
Come on, go! How'd you get that skin? How'd you get that skin? Oh, boy, I broke it.
The very thin stairwell, my favorite.
How'd you get Mr. Shroomy? I want to be Shroomy. Oh, I want to be Shroomy. Blow him up.
Oh, is that another system?
Flashlight sticking.
Get me out of here.
Look at the way it looks like an alien. Yeah, it's a flashlight sticking.
Usually one of the elevators.
By the way, and then one away.
To the back rooms if you want into
Like
it.
this. No, the best way to do one to this.
Hold on.
Like this. Stop.
Yeah, and actual Nico's next spot's the
Juke. So let's go.
elevator. One of them will bring you to the back rooms.
Wait, don't leave me. Ow, me. Ow, 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 ow.
I took a dump.
Let's go get frozen.
It smelled good. Now I'm smirking at my bleeding finger. It's not bleeding bad, guys, don't worry.
Wait, which way's up and which way's down?
Did I just hear something? Hello?
That's
What?
down, that's one there.
Hello?
Say
Me.
hello.
Pikmin.
Let's go that way. The monsters can get in here. The monsters can get in here. Go. Guys. Down there? You can go down there? Down there. Let's go. Down there. Wait, there's a ladder. Hello. I'm good back to the main game. Are there any monsters? Blue? I saw him. Wait.
Gotta play uncopyrighted music, guys.
Yeah, sure. Whoops, I thought. I'm just kidding.
You know what? Screw this.
Spotify.
Spotify. We're opening Spotify. Guys.
Everyone's one.
Oh god, I almost fell. We be the swimming chair.
Give me a little bit.
Hold up.
Hey guys, what's this? I'm too scared. I placed the ball.
Non-copyright music.
Oh, I see.
I know this song.
Tonight will be the night that I said.
And tonight will be the night that I fall. That's like outro music. Like, we ain't listening to that, guys. We ain't listening to that. I know this. Yeah. That song is really good. We good. is? Wait,
Where's the door?
I do not know
Where's
that
J-Man?
song.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, J-Man,
Is this actually not copyrighted?
Green, I made it. Xbox party. I made it green.
That's wild.
I made it. Yeah, I made it. There's nothing.
Yo guys, this isn't copyrighted. Do not kill me for this. YouTube, don't copyright me. Stop it. I don't like getting copyrighted. It's not nice.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beat, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity centered. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts.
I don't have legs. Oh, that's G-Man! It's G-Man! Oh my god, G-Man Curly! G-Man Curly! What?
Rain, just take your breath away. Out of mind, there's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides the mind to move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race the minute that my left hand meets your waist. And then I watch you trace, put my finger on your tongue 'cause you love the taste, yeah. These hearts adore everyone the other beats hard is for. Inside this place is warm, outside it starts to pour. Coming down, one love, two mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us, we find out. Nothing that we don't wanna tell you about, no, 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 'cause it's too cold.
No, don't kill me! No! I can't die, not yet! No! I'm not actually dead until you guys teleport me somewhere else.
The night will hold us close and the stars will guide us home. I've been waiting for this. I turn to ask the question. So anxious, my thoughts. Your lips were soft like winters. In your passion, I was lost. 'Cause it's too cold.
Buddy.
Oh boy, I beat the monster. Guys, help me! I'm trapped in here.
Can I beat the monsters in a race? Yes.
Guys, please, please. Right there, right there. Wait. 1, 2, right there. Let's get a place to bomb.
No. Alright, we done with that. Bring us back to the main game. Spotify, shut up. Might as well just rename this video to freaking Nico's Next Bots and Grill Tag. Or just Grill Tag Nico. Russian roulette. Guys, we're gonna try only up. This time, we're not gonna die this time, guys. Or so we're not gonna die, but we're not gonna fall. If I fall, the video ends.
If I fall, the video ends.
It just jumps off. Guys, if I fall, the video ends. It jumps off. Uh-oh, guys.
If you fall, the video ends. Yeah, I'm not going to. I will definitely fall.
I must escalator. Palm trees. That's a big palm tree. Damn! Palm tree. No! We're good, guys. Good. So that is a moon.
In the moon. Yes, I fell in it. That's okay. Make it back.
Oh! Oh, I thought it fell for a second.
I'm already almost there.
Okay, so we are going the right way, guys. This bed's up here. Thought you were a sleeping monkey for a second.
Guys!
I just heard someone very sadly go, no! As their voice squished into the, no! Their voice went through distortion. What is this? How do I get up there? Is this a trampoline? Whee! Whee! Yo, I'm in the moon! Is this like a safety point? Like, now I can't fall down to the ground? Yeah!
You can fall down to the ground, you just have to go off the side.
No, like, you can't fall to, like, the ground on the moon. Like, while you're in it. I can only fall to the bottom, to, like, the floor of the moon.
I keep lagging out. This is where I fell.
Hey guys, this video isn't ending. No, the video ain't ending. Because down there is the ground. Not the floor of the moon. The ground that I spawned on. So this doesn't count as the bottom.
I hate this game mode. Oh no.
Deal with it, you're
play the
playing.
game.
I'm kidding. Okay. Sorry.
And I'm coming.
What is going on?
Wait
I
for me,
always
Cyan.
jump in too hard.
Cyan, why are you going without me? I'm waiting for you. Totally. Where are you?
I love
Hold
only
on,
up for
hold
this
up,
reason.
I'm on a phone call with my boyfriend. Hold on. Your boyfriend?
Bro, you have a boyfriend? Damn, I feel bad for
I'm
him.
old enough to have a boyfriend, apparently. Hold on.
I'm kidding. Congratulations, you're not single.
There's nowhere to stop moving. I'm gonna fall to my death.
Yo, wait.
I don't want
I got another freaking a bling. Oh. A bling.
I have to get to
A bling.
Cyan over here.
This is rigged.
I have to answer the call. Oh, perfect.
This is hella rigged, guys. Guys, this is rigged. Well, good thing this part is easy. I actually falls the most on the moon than I did on actual ground because I didn't fall on the ground. Yes! I'm so happy I didn't speak too soon. For a second I thought these was like Minecraft beds. It's like, so they have more normal beds, and they got Minecraft beds. What's with that?
Alright, I'm back.
Is this a bed or is this a table? What is this?
Because you said you were
Whatever it is, I don't like it.
I was waiting for you. No, you weren't. You were moving. With your long ass arm. Hey, yo! Why? Sorry.
Guys,
How
no
did you
curse
learn to get
words.
longer, bro? Me? How did you get longer?
Made it.
Yeah, like that. And you were moving around.
I made it. I made it, guys. I made it.
I'm trying to do it in the
Now we gotta go over here. If I fall off one of these things and get back all the way into the grass, man, screw
So
this.
what you want to do, Meep? You want to jump in the middle of the
Do
fountain
not
thing.
speak too soon. Oh no! No! Moon, please, please, Moon, please. Thank God. Okay, guys, that's not fair. The moon does not count as the ground, cause like that's like extremely hard.
You camouflaged at the moon. I camouflaged here. I made it. I'm going back on. Whoa. The rock
Okay, guys,
and orange and yellow and yellow.
up here is rigged.
Yellow's my favorite color.
Small
Green is my favorite.
boulders
Pink.
that I have small space boulders
No, pink. Green. No.
that I have to jump on.
I hate pink.
Smaller
Pink is my
than my
My mom loves pink.
freaking.
Of course she does. It's people's opinions.
You know,
One of my classmates loves
Okay. Oh, how did I do that? How? Oh my god, I am so happy. How did I do that? How? Why is this stuff like copper?
It actually used to be a boy.
Dude. Oh my god, I am so happy. Up. Forth. Up. Down. Down. Up. Down. Left. Over. I am so happy. Please don't fall here. I'm already so high. If I fall up here, I don't care if I don't get to one of those, like, if I don't get to that next checkpoint up there and I fall, I'm leaving. I don't care, man.
I can't make
Oh.
that. Also, I can't make that either.
Okay, these are the Fortnite chug barrel things. Chug jugs.
Come here, I know a trick to skip it.
Okay.
The UFO part. Come on, son. I know your trick. Oh, no.
Guys, don't send hate. I don't know what they're called. Chug jugs, chug barrels.
Stand in the middle.
Like,
And then
no, catch, please, catch, no.
Sorry, bro. I'm just gonna bring
Yeah, no, man, screw this. Screw this, man. Y'all, I just want to say, why'd I leave the game? That's just gonna make it harder for me to freaking end the video. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. If y'all want to like and subscribe to this very well-made video, go ahead. I'm gonna be posting more videos on fan games because I really like fan games.
Skibidi toilet.
Guys, you knew there's
Frank, is that a J-Man ball?
Guys, no, watch it, guys.
Okay, so guy. Oh my god! I gotta give J-Man a kiss.
Monkey does it.
Bye bye, guy.
Monkey.
Yar.